The Oort Cloud, a vast and mysterious region of our solar system, holds secrets waiting to be unveiled. This article delves into the depths of the Oort Cloud, revealing its hidden wonders and shedding light on its enigmatic nature. Formation and composition. The Oort Cloud is believed to have formed billions of years ago from the remnants of the early solar system. Composed primarily of icy bodies, such as comets and dwarf planets, it extends far beyond the reaches of the major planets. Structure and characteristics. Stretching from about 2,000 to 200,000 astronomical units from the Sun, the Oort Cloud is divided into two regions, the outer and inner Oort Cloud. Its vast expanse and low density make it difficult to study directly, but its influence on the solar system is profound. Exploration efforts. Despite its distance and elusiveness, scientists have made efforts to study the Oort Cloud. Space probes like Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have provided valuable data, while ground-based telescopes continue to search for clues about its composition and structure. Mysteries and discoveries. The Oort Cloud holds many mysteries, including its exact size, composition, and origins. Recent discoveries, such as the detection of interstellar objects passing through our solar system, have sparked new questions about its nature. Theoretical implications. Studying the Oort Cloud offers insights into the formation and evolution of the solar system. Its dynamics influence the orbits of comets and other objects, shaping the celestial landscape we see today. Oort Cloud versus Kuiper Belt. While both the Oort Cloud and the Kuiper Belt are regions of icy bodies beyond Neptune's orbit, they differ in several ways. The Kuiper Belt is closer to the Sun and contains larger objects, while the Oort Cloud is more distant and composed of smaller, more numerous bodies. Potential future missions, such as the proposed Oort Cloud Surveyor, could provide unprecedented insights into this distant realm. By studying the Oort Cloud up close, scientists hope to unravel its mysteries and gain a deeper understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. Conclusion. The Oort Cloud remains one of the most intriguing and least understood regions of our solar system. Its hidden wonders and enigmatic nature continue to captivate scientists and stargazers alike, offering a glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos.